So very often when we start with a new project, the client says, listen here, I'm a plumber. Can you design a website? Say, great. Listen, it takes us around about 5 to 7 to 10 working days, depending on the complexity of your website. Send us the content so that we can start with the design. The content that the client sends is saying, I am a plumber. Here's my telephone number. Here's my email address. Here's my logo. And it's a clip art logo, word art, something cheap that got stolen from the internet somewhere. And design a website. And we say, look, it's very difficult to design a website if you don't take all content into consideration. You can send us some content, that's not a problem. And you say, well, can you please start with the project? Let's get the ball rolling. Here's some content, start with the design. Not a great way to do it. And then we do proceed. A week later, you send us a bunch of content that changes the architecture and navigation and user experience of the website. Now we have to redesign the website. We need to take all content into consideration. Now we give you tips and advice and say, please look at who you are, what you're all about. Give me a list of the services, but don't only give me a list of services, explore a little bit more information on that specific service. Tell me a little bit more, something that makes you different on that specific service compared to your competitors. So content. Once we've got all of that information, we can go and say, now we can go and design a website. Very, very difficult to design a website with little content and more content to be added later. Very, very difficult. Make sure you get everything prepared. We will help you. We can even suggest a little bit of copywriting. We can help you with adding a little bit more content here and there, but ensure that all content is put together, because that is what's going to create a brilliant website.